dum pum pum.
Recorder, recorder, hands in the right order. Put the left hand over right, press the fingers tight, no squeaks. Recorder, recorder, hands in the right order. Put the left hand over right, press the fingers tight, no squeaks. Hey, let's go. Grab the recorder, first thing to do, put your hands in order. Left hand over right is how we do. Don't blow too hard, just whisper two. With your left hand, put your thumb up high. Now tilt to the side and give a slide, slide. To cover the hole we find in the back, getting closer to the B note. What you think of that? Making sure the back hole is covered completely. Bring out the pointer finger, make it routinely. Cover up the top hole found in the front. Press firm, no leaks, light air is a must. When playing recorder, play sweetly and light. If you don't, it'll squeak, give your teacher a fright. The back and top hole covered up sounds a B. Keep the holes covered and repeat after me. Right order. Put the left hand over right, press the fingers tight, no squeaks. Recorder, recorder, hands in the right order. Put the left hand over right, press the fingers tight, no squeaks. Now it's time to jam along with the music, come on and keep the beat strong. Get your B note rockin' all day. 1, 2, ready, play. Right order. Put the left hand over right, press the fingers tight, no squeaks. Recorder, recorder, hands in the right order. Get your B note, your skills to show. 1, 2, ready, go. Right order. Put the left hand over right, press the fingers tight, no squeaks. Recorder, recorder, hands in the right order. Get your B note, your skills to show. 1, 2, ready, go. Recorder, recorder, hands in the right order. Put the left hand over right, press the fingers tight, no squeaks. Recorder, recorder, hands in the right order. Put the left hand over right, press the fingers tight, no squeaks.
Da dum pum pum. Da dum pum pum.